Big change can feel heavy and difficult. What if you didn't have to make a big jump? What if you could grow your dreams slowly, like a tree? Hello and welcome to English Podcast for Beginners with friendly voices and simple, useful English. I'm Lovely, and I'm so happy you are here with me today. Today, we are talking about a different way to make changes in your life. The title of our talk is Small Habits, Big Change: How to Grow Slowly. Let's think about a big tree, a very, very big tree. How does it grow so big? Does it grow in one day? No, it grows slowly. Every day, it gets a little sunlight. It drinks a little water. You cannot see it grow in one moment, but after many days and many years, it is strong and tall. Our lives are like this tree. Big change is not one big jump. It is many, many small steps. We can call these small steps small habits. A habit is something you do often, almost without thinking, like drinking coffee in the morning or brushing your teeth. These are habits. Now, imagine you want to learn English. The big goal is, I want to speak English fluently. This is a wonderful goal, but it can feel scary. So, instead of one big thing, we choose one small habit, a very, very small habit. For example, your small habit could be listen to English for 5 minutes every day, just 5 minutes, or learn one new word every day, just one word. This is not difficult. It is not scary. Why do small habits work? Because they are easy. You can do them every day. And every day you feel a little success. You think, yes, I did it. This feeling is important. It gives you power to continue. Now think about a river. A river is very strong. It can move big rocks. But how? The water does not push the rock one time. No, the water moves over the rock again and again. Every day, the water touches the rock. Slowly, the rock changes shape. Small habits are like this water. They are small actions repeated every day, and slowly they make a big change in your life. So, what small habit can you start? Remember, it must be very small, so small that it is easy. It should not be difficult. Maybe you want to be healthier. Your small habit is not go to the gym for 1 hour. That is big and difficult. Your small habit is drink 1 glass of water when I wake up, or walk for 10 minutes every day. This is a good start. The most important part is to do it every day, every single day. Consistency is the secret. Doing a small thing every day is better than doing a big thing one time. Now, let's think about feelings. When we start a big goal, we often feel excited. But then, after some days, we feel tired or lazy. This is normal. Everyone feels this. This is why small habits are better. On a lazy day, you can still listen to 5 minutes of English. You can still drink 1 glass of water. It is easy, so you can continue. You do not stop. And after 1 month of small habits, what happens? You look back. You listen to English for 5 minutes every day for 30 days. That is 2.5 hours of English. You learned 30 new words. This is a big change. It started with a very small habit. So let's remember the key ideas. Big change comes from small habits. Small habits are easy to do and easy to repeat every day. Consistency makes the big change. Think about one thing you want to change. Now make it very, very small. Choose one small habit. Start tomorrow. And be kind to yourself. Some days are easy. Some days are difficult. That is okay. Just do the small thing. You can grow slowly like a tree. You can be strong like a river. Small steps every day make a big, beautiful change in your life. Thank you for listening today. This is Lovely from English Podcast for Beginners. I believe in you. You can do this. I will see you next time.